Good morning everyone, this is the unboxing of the new Airpods Pro. Okay, so before we go with the unboxing, I just want to say that this video is made from an Osmo Pocket. So for those of you who has an Osmo Pocket, this is what I'm using, and I'm using 2.7K over 30 frames per second. Okay, so let's go with the unboxing. So I have two boxes here. The other one is from the premium copy box, and this is the original box. The reason why I have both of this side by side is because I want you guys to show you the difference between a premium copy and an original box, so that you can easily spot the difference. Okay. So from the premium copy, I've already removed the plastic, but the plastic doesn't have this easy peel button. Oh, I mean the easy peel strip. Okay, so that's number one, and that's my number one difference. So you can easily differentiate a premium copy and an original box. Okay, so it both has the same Apple logo on the side, Airpods Pro markings on the top of the box, same Apple logo on the side, and almost has the same sticker thingy on the bottom. Okay, so there you go. And on top there is the picture of the AirPods. It's actually embossed, you can feel it, so it's practically the same. From the original and the premium copy, you can feel both images. Only the difference is there's a color difference between the two boxes. The premium copy is more lighter in color, and the original one is actually warmer in color. There's a little yellowish color in the original box. Okay, this is not actually a comparison video, so I would just go ahead and unbox the original one. I just wanted to point out that there's a difference so that you can easily spot a copy from the original one. It's a perfect fit. See, it's not too stiff, it's not too loose, it's just a perfect fit right there. Okay, right ahead, when you open the box, you will see designed by Apple in California. Okay, so these are all the paperworks. Okay, there you go. Okay, so when you open it, this is the actual unit. See, it has a plastic cover right across, but let's put that aside for a bit. I'll show you the box, whatever is inside it. So look, there's this is where the case is, and you will automatically see the charging wire. Okay, it is Lightning to USB-C cable. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you will see, okay, nothing to it. This is just, you know what this is? This is the foam for the earphones. There you go. See. Alright, so nothing else is in the box. Let's go to the unit itself. So as you can see, it's wrapped in plastic. It's almost like a wax paper, and just like the box, there's an easy peel feature for the plastic. Okay, there you go. You can put it back after. Check it out. This is the actual product. This is the wireless charging case for the Airpods Pro. Let's try to open. There you go. So see, there are markings over here inside, and this is the actual earbud. Okay, see it. I don't know if you can see, but there's some markings in the bottom too. There we go. And the same here. Can you see that? Alright. Okay, so since I have not yet used this, let's try and set this up with the iPhone. Alright, let's try to set it up in our iPhone. So when you open, it should show a pop-up here. It's not showing. Let's try that again. Let's close and let's open. Oh, I know, I forgot to turn the Bluetooth on. There you go. So make sure both your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi is on. Okay, so there, let's try it again. Let's open it. There, it should show the pop-up. Okay, so let's click on connect. Let's move this here. Media control. And now we should be good to go. So let's see if it works. Sounds great. As you can see, there's a volume control. I can increase the volume, I can turn it down, it's automatically paired and named after you. If your iPhone is, actually it gets the name from your iPhone. There you go. Also control it using that. There you go. Okay, in addition to our unboxing video, I'm gonna show you the perfect case that goes with your AirPods. So I bought a SPIGEN case for our AirPods Pro. This is the rugged armor version. Okay, let's see what's inside. Here you go. It's a rubber case and comes with a hook from SPIGEN. There you go. That's a nice hook. It says SPIGEN, right? Okay. And this is actually, I don't know what this is. It's I think it's a stick-on film. Press it a little bit. Still shows a part of your white AirPods. Okay. So get the hook. Get it inside. And you should be all set. There you go. Alright. So that ends our video for the new AirPods Pro. I hope you guys enjoy it, and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.